welcome back to my channel. It's Rosa, and today I am just showing you a quick recipe that you can do with some leftover white rice. I had this leftover white rice and I didn't want it to go to waste, so I decided to spice it up a little bit, and yeah, I guess I wanted to share it with you guys too. So I'm starting off by putting some bacon and some ham into the frying pan. I don't put any oil because of the bacon fat. It'll melt and it'll fry up the ham and the bacon. This fried rice is not like the Asian fried rice. I don't put any soy sauce or any eggs in this fried rice. This is literally just something that I made up out of my head. So once this bacon and ham is fried up to your desire, you just scoop it out. And we won't be cleaning the frying pan because the rest of that fat in there will be used to fry what's next. Although for me it wasn't enough, so I had to add in a tablespoon of olive oil. So after that, I also add in some onions, and I let those onions saute for a couple of minutes until it's translucent.
But once you hold me tight again. No.
Once the onion was translucent, I added in the garlic, and once I added in the garlic, I had to keep my eye on this because garlic burns pretty fast. Right after that garlic, I added in a bowl of mixed veggies. This just has carrots, turnip, and zucchini. I'm just going to saute these vegetables for a couple of minutes until I am ready to put in my rice. I am constantly mixing this just because I'm so afraid that the garlic will burn, but it turned out to be okay, so. Alright, so now we're ready to put in the white rice, and yes, I had a big bowl of white rice left over. And let me tell you, cold white rice is so hard to break down. I found this so difficult. I don't know why. This rice was made just the day before. My boyfriend was the one who made it for our lunch, and I guess just because it was cold, it was so hard. But I found a solution, and I didn't want to look crazy, but if you're in the same situation as me, I want to help you with the solutions. So I just grabbed a masher, you know, the ones that you use for mashed potatoes, and I just started mashing that rice, and wow, it broke down. So that's a good trick. So at this point, I throw back in my ham and my bacon, and I'm just gonna let that rice fry up. I ended up adding an extra tablespoon of olive oil because I felt that it needed just a little bit more oil to fry. And this is where you taste your rice to see if you need to add more seasonings. On this day, I didn't want to complicate it too much, so I just added some black pepper and a little bit of oregano, and that was enough for me. We served this on the side of some chili, so the chili was already very flavorful. So yeah, I didn't want to overcomplicate it. And this fried rice turned out pretty good. I really enjoyed it. My boyfriend really liked it too, so yeah, I think that's a good sign. Anyways, I want to thank you so much for watching this video. If you like these types of videos, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you want to. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!